Shubor nakaslem jong Nongmensong Hima.
Ki Runar ki memshim la itho dur khamat ki dei ki ai kila Kawang Petrol bom ni ka Ïingsah jong sembut menteri rangba ka jela uba Sniawbhalang dhar ka badan Nongmensong ka bala jia menta ka step ka arpun drill terik uyayong arajar arpusau habaya keren bat kilat pathai khubor na kaliang USP ke East Khasi Hills uritu raj Ravi ulaong bana kaliang katunat pulit kadang penong ye jing tok kit ha ka dei bat katiar ka bapendan kam ban Kawang se Ïingsah jong uba Sniawbhalang Shishu USP ule thoru baka hukum bat ka jingmaham jong ka Deputy Commissioner ka East Khasi Hills bandi yaki umpenyang Petrol shiki pat ba latno ki bawan the umpenyang de ki kali bat thok arshaka kadang trei kamru lingba ki kindon shispa sapusau CRPC Henry kum katanat pulit kan penlong yaki jingto kit habaro kiliang na kabenta ban yok kem yaki badan kti USP ula kinturu yaki pat ba bakimdei ban le yaki kamrunar bat shim yaki an halaki kti Henry ban shania ha ki bor jong katanat pulit bakin le yaki badan kam
FIR from Sir Deputy regarding one object that was hurled at his place that is in Nongmensong. We are still investigating what that object exactly is. And we will update you once further details emerge in this.
Has it busted this?
We are investigating. We will share the further details as and when they emerge.
Because it is said that it wasn't.
It is an object which we are trying to investigate and to find out what exactly was.
But it is alleged to be a petrol bomb.
We are not ruling out anything at this stage. But as and when we get more clarity on that, I will update you.
Did the object landed in the premises
Yes.
of the
Yes.
deputies?
Yes. Yes.
There are two incidents, similar incidents.
That you are referring to is about that convoy of NIPCO director, wherein a burning rag was thrown on the vehicle, which landed on the escort vehicle. However, there were no damage or injury in that. In that case, also we have registered the FIR. We are investigating that.
To ensure that the loose patrols.
We urge all peace-loving citizens of the state not to take law into their hands and to cooperate in the investigations that are going on and follow the rule of law. Thank you.
Sir, was there any CCTV footage?
We are working on it.
So coming back to the incident at
Yes.
Deputy CM's place.
Yes.
So after you got the report, what police?
We registered the case. I myself visited the PO and we are investigating it, and one SDPO is IO of that case.
So what time did this incident exactly happen?
That we are still to ascertain because they saw it only in the morning.
Has the security been beefed up in this
Yes.
residence? In his
Yes,
residence?
yes. There are all the vital locations and all vulnerable areas. So we have beefed up the security.
Was there any fire attached to this object which has burned?
I will not comment on that at this instant. We are investigating.
There has been a trend of petrol bomb, a lot of cocktail that is there. So, what will be your initiative to ensure that the loose petrol is not?
See, that 144 order of Deputy Commissioner is still in operation, wherein that selling of loose petrol is prohibited in East Khasi district. However, in light of these events, we are taking further measures to strengthen security.
So we have seen that the law.
We are alert and we are on the job, and all the investigations are being done in a thorough and professional manner. And we are confident, we are hopeful that all the perpetrators of any crime whatsoever shall be brought to justice.
How many petrol bomb cases we registered, sir?
There were 2 cases of attack which we have registered, and whether actually it was petrol bomb or what was the nature of the object, I will update you once further details emerge.
Is it a follow?
Sir, whether the state police, means district police is on high alert, can you say that?
We are. Yes, ma'am.
So where is that object right now, sir?
We have seized it and we will be processing it. As and when we are sure and we are confident of the facts, we will update you on that.
Is it
Sir,
an explosion?
This is
Sir, whether it was lit before throwing?
Cannot say, because it was found only in the morning, and what exactly was the nature of that?
Some liquid was
this
there
thing.
in that water?
No, not when we found it. So we are still investigating, and as and when further facts emerge, I will share with you.
Any more arrest on the two?
It will not be fair to speculate at the moment, but we are not ruling out anything, and as and when further facts emerge, we will share with you.